The Actros L with ProCabin offers innovative safety assistance systems to ensure safe driving in an array of traffic situations. In many cases, the systems even go beyond the legal requirements. Active Sideguard Assist 2 provides more safety on both sides. Active Brake Assist 6 Plus helps you brake even safer, actively. Front Guard Assist keeps an eye out at the front. Active Drive Assist 3 helps you drive safer, comfortably. And Attention Assist 2 monitors for distractions and fatigue. Enjoy a safer ride.
Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.